Hello my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. When I see this picture where they here, so I believe say most of una don't see this picture with this video where I go play for una so as they fly up and down. Now one lady where be say he cry come and say her husband want buy now. If you see the face, it be like waiting, I don't know. Be like waiting person where be say he get a motor accident. He face swell up, both bars. Night giver. According to the news when me see, they say the man they warn this woman as a married woman may not they dress like a single woman. Now some women they will be say that they like all this short thing, something way short, and in her husband house na day. Not be all men they like them. Some men go want me they dress, you know, the way you take dress, now people take they address you. So they say one day like that, according to as I say see the news. So this woman, he can't dress short. One go pick him for school. So the thing called like annoying the man. Now make her come give her this boss bass. May we fair hear this audio where be say she bring comment on social media. Where can be say many people can they talk about. Then she can't do another audio again. All day here. She can't do another audio again. Video. Then if you listen very well, you know say the man they for background. When the woman they read down, she even they read down, they talk her. May we listen.
My affected side has deflected drastically for less than what you saw in the initial video. Finally, I thank everyone who actually showed concern and if there's a well-being woman and for me also. I actually thank everyone for the good and your comment and everything. I must testify that I have not regretted marrying my husband, Mr. Lalinos. And he has not, he never wanted to harm me. And I also don't want any harm to be via this issue online. And stress also because of the issue. So I repeat, I Mrs. Lalinos, order that no one or organization or bloggers or individual should harm or further stress my lovely husband, Mr. Lalinos, because of this matter, because I also had my part in this situation. I will always stand by him forever and see God's purpose for our family fulfilled, because there is no perfection in human flesh. We all make mistakes. There is no one that is better than one. There is no perfect being anyway. I really fully make this presentation to avoid any further realization from bloggers, reaction from bloggers, individual or organization against him. So those that have been posting or doing all manners should please stop. I'm in peace with my husband now. And as you can see, my sight is getting better, my eyes is getting better, the pain has relieved me. I'm taking medication, so I don't need any harm to him because of this issue. Thank you.
My people, show na here. The first video, na the video where be say she do comments, where she tell voice out say, make una call help o, husband marriage no be do or Kpai o, your husband want Kpai yan o. The video fly go everywhere. This one na the second video where be say, hey, the man don't see say they don't they drag am. You understand? Come carry and sit down. If una listen very well, I'll still play this video again. Una listen very well. Where the man even they tell am wetin he want talk. Even if you listen very well, if you watch very well, you know say she dey read down wetin the man write give am make dey talk. So women, me I no understand though. Now true say you still get your own for inside, but to the extent for your eye like this. Ha, now wash out. Me, I no understand though. One day be one day, monkey go market, no go come back, eh? You get one video where be say I come across. I know I just forget to pick that video. I mean, one put them together with this video. This woman buy for husband house. They say don't tell whether they tell us, say me come more for there. Come more for them, man, where they give you both bars. You know, Greek come out. You know as it come out. Now inside the coffee, now you can't dey. So many people come they like, okay, because they don't get what they want to do. If people want help them, they go there like do like say, leave one, probably not then my husband, he go change, or this one, the other one. Like this one now where because we be say can't come out now. Can't tell people say, make una forget about wetin happen. Everything don resolve. My sister, why you not first of all give your husband small lesson? Now understand? You know say when you give person lesson, next time you go know say that thing I no go there again. It just be like when small pikin they do something, you tell am say come on for there, no gree come on. You give am why for inyash. If you want go again, go think and say no, I no go. They will give me they will give me both bars for my nyash. I no go there. Just because of you know what made they drag on. Then the man can't carry you sit down. They tell you what you want. Tell people wait there for social media. Made they not drag on. My sister, ha. Now watch out. Me, I don't know. I know say husband and wife issue. You get when they talk put. But to the extent to this one, I see the first video where they say bring come out. Una see Now see me, person like me. I don't get body where man they even they touch you. No. So let's say you can't just like my blow my eye. One day now no can't they see again. No, me I know they take am. I don't know all these women where be say that they take am. Then when I don't know as I want to talk am. If man want punish you, if he punish you, no be to give you both bars for your eye. One day go give you for your chest. You will you go just fall big. Don't finish for that because we women will not get hand to follow man say we want drag or we want follow the fat. If man slap you, go no say na man slap you. Just carry, see the woman, you just make beg like a boka. This one now, you just give her a blow for head. You don't finish. He said, may they not talk put. I know, say the woman, I know, say, may you come up for your husband's house, so you be adult, you know what you want, what they pass through for them. But you forgive, lesson. You understand? Give us more lesson, so that he go know, say, next time, I not go near them. This woman get body when they even they touch. I don't understand why some of our men, if they do something, okay, you want make your woman not they wear short thing, may not they like, may they dress well. Not be that way you want to tell them. You get family. For you to open your hand to give her boast like this, don't be saying a slap for. Let's say this thing. This one a blow, bo, like say they do the bossing. This video, may I replay am again, Mona listen very well. The second one, I see say, the man they talk on that there. Because even the boss bars where give this girl, me believe say something don't affect her for his brain. Because not be she dead there again. Not be lie. Maybe if this and say, otherwise I go, that of your eye, I go blow her again. May we listen now here for the background. Listen.
My affected side has deflected drastically for less than what you saw in the initial video. Finally, I thank everyone who actually showed concern and interest and well-being woman and me also. I actually thank everyone for the good deeds and your comment and everything. I must specify that I have not regretted marrying my husband, Mr. Levinus. And he never wanted to harm me. And I also don't want any harm via this issue online and stress also because of the issue. So I repeat, I Mrs. Levinus, order that no one or organization or bloggers or individual should harm or others my lovely husband, Mr. Levinus, because of this matter, because I also had my part in this situation. I will always stand by him forever and see God's purpose for our family because there's no perfection in human flesh. We all make mistake. There's no one that is better than one. There's no perfect anyway. I really make this presentation to avoid any further realization from bloggers, reaction from bloggers, individual or organization. So
my people, sure na dey hear the man dey background for them. Anyway, the woman say, may everybody hands up. Hands up. Now so wetin they call that woman? Osinachi. And so it's say they be RIP. And not me, I don't understand though. For me, if you not get body wey man they beat, person like me I not get, or even my hair to draw and come out. You know, I not agree. So most of una maybe una just like cancer. I know say some people like her if the husband they give them both bars. Anyway, as I see this video, I need to bring a come for una. When I see another one, don't still say make una answer up or you know call una for inside though. Make una mind una business so. Alright, my people. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please send me to love and like and share for me. What do you think about this video? Leave your opinion. Bye bye for now.